Wild Aria. The Amazon rainforest is known as the largest tropical forest in the world and one of the most biodiverse. This fascinating ecosystem is home to countless plant and animal species. Among them, snakes are one of the most interesting and feared inhabitants of the Amazon. These snakes show us how complex and adaptive nature can be, as they fight for an extraordinary life in the depths of the Amazon. To survive in the Amazon, snakes have to face all the challenges nature has to offer. During the day, the dense vegetation and the warmth of the forest provide an ideal environment for snakes to hide and conserve energy. During the daytime, snakes are usually less active, resting in shady areas or near water. This helps them regulate their body temperature and hide from predators. In the Amazon, snakes often wait for prey in ambush during these hours. Night is another world of activity in the dark depths of the Amazon. Many snake species become more active at night to hunt. Thanks to their keen eyesight and sense of temperature, nocturnal snakes can find their prey even in the dark. Snakes approach their prey by moving silently, attacking quickly and effectively to capture their prey. In this process, the dark cover of nature gives snakes a great advantage during hunting. One of the most remarkable features of Amazonian snakes is their extraordinary patterns. These patterns help them both to protect themselves from predators and to catch their prey more effectively. The patterns and colors on the snakes are in almost perfect harmony with the vegetation around them. Almost invisible in the leaf litter, these snakes are difficult targets for predators to detect. Camouflage is one of the most important elements of the Amazon snake's survival strategy. These patterns, which blend in with the forest floor, allow snakes to both hide from their predators and ambush their prey. Some snakes disguise themselves not only with their colors, but also with their body language and movements. This increases their chances of survival in the dangerous world of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest offers an ideal habitat for snakes. The dense vegetation of the forest provides the perfect environment for snakes to hide and hunt. This density makes it easy for snakes to avoid danger and stalk their prey, both day and night. The humid and warm climate of the jungle helps snakes to regulate their metabolism, while the vast water resources help to provide them with the water and nutrients they need. Water resources in the Amazon are another important advantage, especially for snakes. Snakes prefer to hunt and hide near water. Water helps them regulate their body temperature and catch their prey more efficiently. In addition, the vegetation along the water's edge provides snakes with both camouflage and hunting opportunities. In the Amazon, snakes have developed survival strategies by adapting to the vegetation and water sources around them. These strategies allow them to successfully survive in the harsh conditions of the Amazon. The snakes of the Amazon not only hunt, but also have to be protected from many natural dangers. These include predators living in the forest, humans, and even other snakes. But snakes are protected from these dangers by their natural camouflage, their silent movements, and their ability to escape quickly. Snakes use various defense mechanisms in case of danger. Some escape quickly, while others fool their predators by playing dead. In addition, some snake species use bright colors and patterns to signal to potential predators that they are venomous and thus avoid attacks. The Amazon rainforest is both a paradise and a challenge for snakes. This fascinating ecosystem is full of challenges that require snakes to maximize their survival abilities. With their exceptional camouflage skills, adaptability, and hunting strategies, snakes manage to survive in the harsh conditions of the Amazon. These mysterious inhabitants of the Amazon offer us a unique glimpse into how complex and adaptive nature can be. These fascinating creatures will always remain an intriguing subject as they struggle against the challenges of nature. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the most incredible stories of this rainforest and nature full of mysterious animals. See you on the next adventure.